thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to. I have my selfie box, and I do believe this is February. Once again, late received in the next month. It is March. Not happy about it. Real fast about selfie box. The products in the box are great. We'll discuss that towards the end. Selfie box is $25 a month. You do get free shipping. They only ship all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free beauty and skincare items. You get 4 to 5 unique full-size products. Promise value of at least $100. You can buy these individual boxes on their website if they still are available. And they are $30 a box instead of the $25 if you are a subscriber. I love their mission statement: self-empowerment, self-love, self-esteem, and self-care. Here's a little sneak peek into their box. Pretty full box. And you do get a card. Like I said, this is February. Love is in the box. Cute card. And on the back is the products. I did receive an email. I do have a copy of it here. They are based out of New York. With all of the weather, snowstorms, ice, all that stuff, their box was late in shipping. But I was billed on February 1st. They didn't even think about shipping this box till the 23rd of February. They would have shipped it the week before. They would have had no weather problems because there was no weather. Bad weather in New York, Pennsylvania, or anywhere else for that matter. So I think with them holding on and not shipping till the end of the month, they only cause problems for themselves. And for the first time, Selfie Box has hit my potential cancel list. I really am not. December was extremely late. They blamed the post office. January was extremely late. I don't know what their reason was. Now February's late. I think this is too much of a pattern for me. So that's why I am considering, and I have not made my final decision. I want to read the email, and this was, if they didn't send it to everyone, oh well. I didn't see anything on here not to read this. So I did print it off so that I could share this with you. It says, "Hi, Maureen. As you know, the winter storms in New York City and Texas heavily impacted our operations in those two states, as well as shipping of products from our suppliers in California." California didn't have issues with snow. I don't understand what Texas, unless they were waiting for product coming out of Texas. New York, I get. This has caused significant delays to our February box. Our teams in New York worked 24/7. Okay. And we're able to ship your box out before the end of the month. Like that is supposed to be like a bonus for me that they shipped it out before the end of the month. It should have been shipped out the second week. By the mid-month, it should be shipped out. This is my problem with companies like this. However, we are not happy with such a delay and want to offer your March's box for free. Okay, I'll take it, a free box. Why not? What we will do is suspend your billing for March and just pick it back up in April. And then it says, also, in another twist, February's box was so full of great products that the Ico mascara will have to be shipped out separately in a few days. You know, so now we're waiting for a product, which is, I understand that, but I've never had another box have to do that. So that is, you know, and it says, "Thanks, please let me know if you have any concerns or questions." And then it's member services from Selfie Box. You know, I did email them back and let them know, you know, look, I understand weather issues. Mother Nature, none of us can do anything about her. If she's going to rear her ugly head with snow and ice and wind and all kinds of stuff, there's nothing not one of us can do. But like I said to them, if you're going to bill me on the 1st of the month, and so far these last couple months, 3 of them, they're not shipping until it's like the 21st, 2nd, 3rd of the month, then unfortunately you ran into some weather where if you would have shipped it mid-February, you would have had not one snowflake interfere. New York didn't have snow at that point. Pennsylvania didn't. Texas was fine. They weren't in their ice storm yet. California doesn't have snow. So I'm confused about the California side of that, but whatever. like I said, I'm happy to have March's box for free. We'll see how that arrives. And let's get into February's box. I know it's kind of redundant to show you a February box in March, but, you know, I have to do what I have to do. So let's get rolling right here. There's a whole bunch of, let's just pull some of these out. I don't know if I like this, but we'll see what these are first. What I see here is a whole bunch of packages. 10 maybe? 3, 6, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 of each. One is, let me just try to do this. One says dry, and this says wet. Show you these. And let me see if I can find them on here. Okay. So it says base blue, dry and wet, dual action facial cleansing wipes, $21. So I guess $21 for all of them. What is the dry? Okay, so I guess these are pre-moistened makeup removing wipe, and then the dry one, you water activate it, and it's a day beauty cleansing wipe. Okay, you know, I'm not angry at that at all. I just am confused as to why they wouldn't be in a box already, but they're still sealed and safe, and that's all that matters. Start your day or night off right with this dual action dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipes. It's a mouthful. Each individually wrapped wipe can be used to remove makeup or as a quick refresher throughout the day. Perfect for long flights, if we were flying, late nights, that does happen, or a quick pick-me-up, and they are cruelty-free. So they're nice. So we have 10 of the wet ones, 10, I do believe, of the dry ones. So that's that. That's probably why that the mascara didn't fit in, because that's a pretty... that's a lot of, I mean, you could see in the box how much room that's taking up, quite a bit. Filled up almost half the box. So then here is the next product, and this is from, who is this? Bodyography Skin. Why did I not see that? This is a mask. Robanda? I'm confused. Let me see this. Yep. So this here is called Robanda Hydrating Mask, $27. Formulated with age-defying antioxidant fruit and plant extracts. This remarkably, and here's the packaging. Oh, this looks interesting. This remarkably active mask hydrates skin while improving texture and reducing dryness and fine lines. Antioxidants like watermelon, green tea, and apple fruit extract give your skin a healthy boost and beautiful natural glow. With continued use, this mask will leave your skin plump, soft, hydrated, and ready to face the day. Cruelty-free, made in the USA. Oh, and this is sealed. I want to smell it. I'm gonna open it so I can smell it. Let's just get this out of here. And it does come with a little information sheet. So, oh, and then there is like a little scoop. Well, that's nice. Let's put that back. So if you're unsure about a product or sensitivity, if you have sensitive skin, just read the information. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it's got a seal on it. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. There it is. A lot of that is on the lid, so we'll get that right back down the way it was. Anything's coming out, we'll just rub on our hands. Well, I'm excited to try that. Well, watermelon is good for you anyway, but then let's get that back in the box. To put it in skincare, I'm excited for. So the wipes were one product. This is 2, 3, 4. We're supposed to have 5. So the mascara is the 5th product. So here we have this product. And this is Dr. H Anti-Aging Hand Cream, $59. Did I tell you that mask was $27? Not sure if I did. Oh, God, everything is taped. Let's just go right up in the bottom. Nope. Taped. Everything is taped. So we might as well just... Going from the top. How's everybody's day going? Filming this later at night. It's been today. I did every month. I do maintenance on my laptop. I pull a lot of stuff off and save it to a disk. I have a backup hard drive. Make sure it's all saved up. When you're doing YouTube videos, here's what the product looks like. It takes up a lot of your space, and I have a huge hard drive and big memory, but I notice performance is slower, so it takes me about a day to pull a month of videos off and photos. So I've been doing that today. It says all this hand sanitizer, all this hand sanitizer has our hands begging for some relief. This anti-aging hand cream is incredibly rich and deeply moisturizing, containing hyaluronic acid, so the moisture is delivered deep below the skin surface and locked in to keep hands soft and supple all day long. Enriched with nourishing shea butter, this cream will revive tired, cracked hands whilst also acting as an anti-aging cream, cruelty-free. My hands are so dry from one. Oh, it's got a seal on it. Trust me, I will try this. I'm just finishing up my Spun Gel hand cream that I love. I did order another one, but maybe I'll put that one in there first. So dry and cracked. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see. Just cracked. I mean, no matter what, I lotion my hands like 100 times a day. With good lotion, it's just hot water doing dishes, cleaning and just life. And you use your hands for everything. A lot of times I use like a Palmer's oil, which is the coconut oil, rub it in my hands at night just to soothe my hands. I mean, they're just cracked and dry. It's horrible. This winter is the worst. The next product I have here is from Real Her, and this is a matte lipstick, $18, and the hand cream is $59. That's a little expensive. Where's this? Let's see what this looks like. I have quite a few Real Her lipsticks, and they are very nice formula. The nice packaging, yes, if I remember correctly. Beautiful packaging. It says, I am the best. Let's see. Here's the shade. I'll just hold it up there. I'm not going to swatch this. I don't do like these red tones, but I can save that and put that in a giveaway. This is really cute, and it's magnetic, the packaging. So let's see. That is $18. Inspired by 12 women with 12 unique and diverse background. Comes in 12 encouraging shades. Light in weight and high in pigment, which I do agree with. I do have which one did I get? It says I am the best. No. This says I am the best. Because it says receive either I am worthy or I am a leader. But I didn't receive either one of those. This says I am the best. I don't know if that'll focus. I am the best. So this I won't wear. Because it's not a shade that I do wear. There's no other place that it says what the shade is. I would have rather had I Am Worthy, because that's more a raspberry color, and I would have worn that. I might let them know, like, if you're going to tell me I'm going to get either or, and then get a third option that's not even listed on your card, that would be nice. And then the item that they're going to ship separately, and I've had this box a few days now, I don't know when they're going to be shipping that, is the Ico London Lash Alert Curler and Mascara. So it's the, the long tube, the big, probably the fatter bottom mascara with the eyelash curl on it, which is just a cute, topper. I wouldn't use that on my eyelashes. That's a $25 value. So that would be the 5 items in my February 2021 selfie box. And I will let them know about the lipstick, though, because, I was supposed to get either or, and here's an option that they didn't list. I mean, I'm going to split hairs with them because they've annoyed me for 3 months, so I'm going to annoy them a little bit. I like Selfie Box, and I really don't want to cancel them, but I have to put them on the list just for the shipping. And, I mean, their customer service is good. They're always responsive, wanting to know what they can do to make it better. So that's why I'm hesitant, because I do love this box. I mean, I would say this is close with BoxyCharm base box for me. I use a lot of the products out of here, where a lot of times I might give away the products in my Boxy base. I love this box. So it's on my potential list. You know, I don't know. It might not happen if they get back on their shipping routine again. Maybe they just got off their game a little bit, and it's going to take them a little bit to get back on it, because I used to get the box before mid-month. So I don't know what happened. Hopefully they can get it corrected, because if not, I don't want to show you a February box in March. I didn't receive it, because I write on my boxes when I received the box. I received this the very last day of February. So, you know, or 27th, which was the Saturday. I don't film on Sunday, so regardless, it was going to appear in March. So I don't like to do that. If I get a February box, I'd like to show it to you in February, unless like it's a new sign up, so there's a little bit of a delay, or like Ice Cream Beauty, which I have in my possession now. They had part of their team, it's a family-owned business, had a medical issue, so therefore it slowed their whole team down. I understand that, and you know, I emailed them and I said, look, I understand that. I said, while I understand, you know, I still have a YouTube channel to run, and I really don't want to show a February box that nobody can even, if they love my showing of the February, they can't go get it. And they said they were going to leave it open so that if you wanted to buy it, you could still get the February box, but I think that's long past. I mean, they didn't leave it open long enough. They tried. I mean, they had a family emergency, like I said, and it is a family business. So they get a pass, even though it was my first initial, like, hi to Ice Cream Beauty. I'll give them a pass on that, because, you know, when you have a medical emergency in your family and it throws you off kilter, it can mess up your, you know, your business, which I get. You know, they were just a little bit delayed. No big deal. So, so we'll see what Selfie Box has to bring in the future. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I hope everyone's doing well. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.